Hi, I'm Jeremiah from ENS, and I have a couple of team members here on the line right now. We have Arvi, we have Shane, and we have Charles. And Charles is going to be testing something called Zadarma right now. Right, Charles?
Yeah.
And good morning, everybody, by the way. Super early morning over there.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's 1 p.m. here, Pacific. That means it's 4 a.m. over there, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, all of you, thanks for being absolute champions for working through the night on this project here. So here's the first test. This is my cell phone. I'm here in Canada. And Charles, can you please call my cell phone? 250-999-9368. And there might be a little bit of echo here. And while he's calling this number, okay, here's what we have for a project. So Shane here in the call actually has a supplier distributor business for spas. Okay, so see, I've got a call coming in here. I'm going to answer it. Hello, Jeremiah speaking. How can I help you?
Yes, this is Charles.
You sound great. Okay, so I can hear you perfectly. So we're going to do a test 1, 2, 3. Remember the Marco Polo? I'm going to go Marco.
Hello.
Okay, so it's that fast. So
Yeah.
you're speaking with me through my cell phone. You're calling my regular cell phone number from the Philippines, and you sound very professional here on the call. Like,
Cool.
you sound great. Okay?
Thanks.
Give me a test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you sound fantastic. Okay?
Cool.
So that's what's cool about this Zadarma is you just got all of this set up with the phone system, what, in the last hour? So you've gone from having no phone system there for outbound calling to being able to do outbound calling to Canada here to do this project for Shane within hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the next step is we're going to be collating basically contact list of spa owners, because Shane here has a business of, again, being a supplier or distributor of a manufacturer's product called Antiage. So these are solutions. This is actually stem cell products, a lot of them, for the cosmetic industry, cosmetic dermatology specifically. And these are high quality products. These are ones that are very exciting for Shane to be able to explain to other spas. And what we now have is an infrastructure where from over there, along with me over here in Canada, we can be working on this all together. Pretty cool, right? Yeah.
Right.
So other than, bad lighting because it's so bright in here, I'm on the northern tip of Vancouver Island, in British Columbia, and all three of you in the southern tip of the Philippines, pretty much exactly on the other side of the planet from me, right? So thank you, Zadarma. That's a cool one. So you want to post this up to YouTube so they get an idea of the usage of why we're crazy about this technology? Thank you, Shane.
Okay.